Folks, it's Blue Lives Matter. I'm out at Houston and Frio Street. That cat's got 9 lives. It's going to need all of them tonight. This place is about to get stormed. When I say that, there's military training going on. See a couple of guys walking around through here, probably with reserve units or units that are assigned to this. Police are telling people they have to stay inside their rooms now while they conduct this training, which I'd considered getting a room here, but I'm like, oh, fuck that noise. Go back which way? What? Okay, what's the issue here? Okay, first of all, you're telling me I need to go somewhere. What I'm asking you is, what's the issue with me being on this sidewalk? This sidewalk's closed?
This sidewalk is closed.
Okay, so I'll go across the median.
No, you need to go over there by the plaza.
What's your name and badge number?
0336.
0336.
Yes, sir.
Okay, instead I'm going to walk down this way.
Sir.
I'm not going this way. I can't go this way.
Okay.
I've been told I'm not allowed to go that way by another officer.
Okay.
So I'm going to go this way.
No, you can't go make a left. You gotta keep going straight then.
I'll wait right across the street. I can wait there, right?
Straight.
Yeah, I'll wait right across the
When you
street.
patrol cars, it's closed. So you need to keep going. That way.
And why is this all closed?
Because it's doing training for training.
Okay. So, well, I'll walk behind the car in a second. I want to make sure I'm not jaywalking.
Closed. Go to the next street over and go that way, sir.
So, the next street over?
Yes, sir.
That's right here, right?
The next street over. Want to see the light? The green light over there?
What's the name of that street?
Commerce.
What's the name of that street down there?
That thing is closed, sir.
Okay, well, I see you're saying that, but it's not marked off.
Sir, it's closed. You can't go through there.
Okay, I hear what you're telling me.
Okay.
I'm asking you for a reason. What's the name of that street?
The only street you could go is Commerce. That's the street right there, and then you can do whatever you need to do.
Okay,
If you want
so
to go across the street, you go into Commerce and make a left or stay on the other side. Very simple.
okay, and I'm going to listen to your commands, but I'm asking you, who's closed off the public streets? What is this? Department of Homeland Security?
Yes, sir, no.
So
Training, military training exercise. Okay? That's the only thing you can do.
okay, well, the training of military exercise isn't on this public street. It's on private property.
Why are you making it so hard?
I'm not trying to make it hard.
That car right there, that's closed. You see this vehicle here? That means it's closed. So I'm asking
You're closed. You've closed it to vehicular traffic.
For everybody. It's for your safety, sir.
How's my standing
Sir,
here?
Let's go that way. It's very simple. Why are you making it so hard?
I'm not making it hard. I have a right to be in public. Do I not?
You're saying that you want to do this thing, and you want to obey to my commands. I'm telling you to go over there. You can stay over there where everybody else is at. You say nobody over there is complaining. Nobody's arguing.
That's on via property. I don't want to be on via property. Okay, well, let's get into that. You have no obligation to protect me. You do not. The Supreme.
There's going to be some dangerous elements brought in,
and
we are obligated. That's what we do. We serve and protect.
Okay, well, I understand you're saying you serve and protect. As a veteran, I guarantee you, the people who are going to be doing training here are not going to jump this fence, come over here, and stick a flashbang up my ass and set it off. I'm not in any danger being here.
I'm not privy to exactly what they're going to be using or doing, but I can tell you that there's going to be debris flying, and that is a concern for people in close proximity. So, yeah, that is our duty to keep you safe from that. We know is.
Okay, and again, what I asked this officer was, by whose authority have you closed? Obviously, someone told you, hey, close off these public streets. Okay? I'm not debating that. I'm just asking you, who told you to close them off? Because I don't see how my being on a sidewalk is obstructing with what they're doing or putting me in any danger.
We have a general mission, and we can't just sit and discuss this with you.
Okay, I don't expect you to discuss it with me.
not in your surrounding location in the Hotel 6, and then we'll be sending information to you on there.
And again, you see you have customers at the Hotel 6 who are standing outside their rooms right now. They'll be told, as I was told by the hotel owner, and that's why I left the property, that from 9 to 11, they'll be conducting that training. If I chose to stay on the property, then I would have had to stay in my room, and I didn't want to do that. So I came off the property. I'm far enough in a safe environment, but as you see all the way down the street, the police have blocked everything off. I get it. These officers feel there's a safety issue. They can't explain what the safety issue is. What this looks like to me is it's just an attempt to keep the public from recording a military training exercise conducted on private property in the middle of San Antonio.
As a veteran, sir, I appreciate your service, but you must, surely you understand that there's certain operations that you conduct for the safety of everyone, those involved in the operation as you were yourself, correct? Right? Would you want people interfering in your mission?
I'm not interfering in anything, ma'am. I'm documenting.
Like when you were active, right? Would you want to be distracted from your training?
Ma'am, I'm not distracting you. I'm not distracting this officer. I'm not distracting them. I'm simply going to film when they bring in little birds and they fast rope in. I mean, I already know the type of exercise they're conducting here. It's an urban
Probably know more about it.
Exactly. And again, that's why I'm telling you, I'm not in danger of being where I'm at. However, apologize. What I am saying, though, is that blocking off 8 city blocks,
We don't make that call. I mean, you know that we're just troops on the ground, right?
and again, that's why I asked who made that call, because that's where I need to address
We have a
that.
command structure, just like you did.
And again, that's why I'm asking if it wasn't you, who above you made that call to go, so far out. Get off, pause this. So at least Officer Dick Watt has backed off his level of aggression there. Again, I can walk right onto this private property if they let me, but it is private property. Again, what they've done is block the public streets. Okay, you're getting... For those of you who don't know that sound, it's going to be a UH-60. It's coming in. That's 2 of them. You got your little bird coming in over here. UH-60, another little bird. Securing the outer perimeter. You got your 4 security teams set up at this point. That's going to be flashbangs that you hear in the background. No big deal. That's a smart officer. She got in her vehicle. See, rotor blast knocked over their signage out here. They'd sandbagged it, but they needed at least 2 more sandbags. You got your external security team sitting out here right now. Now they're gonna do their entry. They'll practice their entry. These types of drills, your backup units, they'll still practice in case they need to become the primary entry team. They'll do other things like this on missions. And again, these are important things for our military to be learning how to do. This is not your, normal infantry guy who's doing this. This is going to be at least a tier 2 level operator, usually a Ranger battalion or higher, working in this type of environment. And again, as you noticed, you had different assets in the air coming through. Now again, the police will sit here and tell me I can't be where I'm at, but they're letting these buses through now. It's strange to me how buses can come through. Again, when you stand firm when police give you bullshit orders, you can't force them to make that decision. Again, your officers over here are telling the people inside the hotel that they cannot leave their rooms. They cannot stand outside and observe, which is bullshit. It's private property. They have a right to do that. This building over here that they're working on, if they want to keep things all hush-hush, then they need to move on to a secure military facility and do that. Instead, what they do here, they pull it into areas so they get different training environments. And then, abandoned buildings are great for things like that. But being in the downtown area, it's not great, because then you have other issues that come up. So...